I want to open up about my mom and I trust only you. I have never told anyone this. Not like this, but I trust you. Only you. There's something I have been carrying, and it's heavier than I let on. It's about my mom. Every time I try to talk about her, my throat closes up, like the words are too raw to be spoken. You ask me why I go silent sometimes, why I stare out at nothing like I'm lost. It's hard. She's still in my blood, in my bones. In the quiet parts of me, I never show. She was beautiful in the tired, own kind of way. Like the kind of beauty that forgets how to glow because life stole too much from her. I remember her hands, always cracked, always trembling. ফোনটা চাবি দিত She used to brush my hair back just once before she rushed off to her second job. I told myself I did not need more than that. And I did not get it. I was just a boy who learned not to ask. Sometimes I would wait by the window long after I was supposed to be asleep. Just one soft moment to pretend we were normal, but I didn't need more. I needed her hugs, her voice, her time. Hoping I would see her walking up the driveway, safe, not so tired, maybe even smiling. She never smiled. When she came home, there were nights she cried in the kitchen. And I never went to her. I could hear her through the walls. I was too afraid to see her broken. I needed her to be strong, even if it was a lie. The hardest part, she thought I hated her because I stopped talking, because I buried all my love in silence. But I did not hate her. I loved her so much. It scared me. I still do, and I am sad because she's fading, not from memory, but from my heart. I am forgetting how her voice sounded when she laughed, how she hummed to herself when she washed the dishes. How she whispered my name like it was the only word in the world that made sense. I don't want to forget, but time is cruel. And now I find myself trying to love you the way I wish she had loved me. Completely, fearlessly, softly. But I don't always know how. Sometimes I pull away, I go quiet. I make you feel like I am not here, even when I am lying beside you. I hate that. I hate what it does to you. You deserve a man who shows up, and I am trying. God, I am trying. But sometimes I feel like that little boy again, waiting by the window. Just hoping someone will come home and tell him it's okay to feel this much. You are the first person who's ever made it safe to feel. When I hold you, it's like I am holding every piece of myself I thought I'd lost, and that terrifies me because I don't know if I can survive losing love again, but I want to try for you. If I ever push you away, just know it's not because I want distance. It's because I have never known what closeness without pain feels like. But I want to learn with you, and I want you to know this. The reason I am opening up now, the reason I am bleeding this out into words, is because I need you to see the parts of me no one's ever seen, not even her. You once told me love means giving someone the map to your wounds. This is mine. Every scar, every silence, every memory I wish had ended differently. And if you still choose me after hearing all this, then maybe love is real after all. I never got to say goodbye to my mom, not properly. But maybe this is my way of saying it now. Goodbye, Mom. I miss you and to you. The woman I trust with every shattered part of me. Thank you for listening. Thank you for seeing me. Please stay. Because if this is the last letter I ever write, I need it to end with your name still on my heart. There's something I have been holding close to my heart for a long time, and I think it's time I finally open up to you. I trust you, not just with my words, but with my soul. You are the only one I feel safe enough to share this with. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.